Mother is continuing her push for justice 3 years after her son was murdered. The man accused of killing him has been charged twice, but in both cases, the county attorney's office dropped the charges. 12 News journalist Bianca Bono has been following the story and has the latest.
We're talking about a man who was brutally killed, and the person who did it is still out there. We're hearing from County Attorney Rachel Mitchell about this case, but the victim's mother says she's still left with more questions than answers. 3 years after Lee Rice's body was found zip-tied and stuffed in a barrel, his mother, Colleen, questions how nobody is facing charges for his murder.
It needs to get out there. I want answers.
In October of 2020, Phoenix police found Rice's body inside the home of Alfredo Gutierrez, and police reports indicate a witness saw the aftermath. They arrested Gutierrez, and the county attorney's office charged him with first-degree murder. Deeming him such a threat, he was given a $1 million bond. But in 2022, days before trial was set to begin, the witness was deported, and the county attorney's office dropped the case, claiming they needed the witness to proceed.
I just don't understand how you can get so close.
In January of this year, Colleen's roller coaster continued. Despite not being able to track down that witness, the county attorney's office charged Gutierrez again. This time, the judge assigned to the case, making sure the state was ready to proceed regardless.
The state's ready to go even if that witness is not going to be participating in the trial.
The notes I have from Ms. Lower that we can affirm dates.
Affirming dates to move forward to trial. Yet a month later, they pulled the case again, meaning the suspect walked free and Colleen was still left without justice for her son.
I just couldn't believe it.
12 News asked Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell what happened.
We had information, a reasonable belief that we could get that individual back. We refiled. Now, that turned out not to be the case.
But Colleen still questions why the state told the judge to move forward, knowing they still did not have their witness, getting her hopes up once again.
When the judge asked her, may this trial proceed, she said yes. I had hope.
Despite the whirlwind of emotions, all while dealing with grief after losing her son, Colleen is now trying to take matters into her own hands, speaking out and demanding answers.
Do you remain hopeful that ultimately the person responsible will pay for what they did?
Mm-hmm. If it doesn't, well, it might have to go beyond more years than I have on this earth.
The county attorney says because this is a murder case, there is no statute of limitations. So although nobody is facing charges in Lee Rice's death, the case isn't over. Bianca Bono, 12 News.